God bless you. Prophet Elijah Bamidele Holo is my name. Quickly, I want to speak on the issue of prophecy. All right? And the Lord said, surely the Lord will do nothing without revealing it to his servant, the prophet. Prophecy speak about the past, the present, and the future. Prophets are seers. Prophets are sayers. Prophets are agents of change. Whether you believe it or not, you can misunderstand them, you can misinterpret them. This is how God has created them to be. They are seers, they are sayers, they are agents of change. Because a carnal man can never understand the things of the spirit. Why am I saying all these things? There's a prophecy that is going around now concerning Evangelist Ebuka Obi, that he gave a prophecy of a particular vehicle that the enemy has planned accident for. That the prophecy did not enter the way it's supposed to enter. I don't understand. He quoted a plate number of a particular vehicle, AJK 181, AL something. He measured it. And the security in charge of the car park ran and get the vehicle plate number and brought it to the camera. And you now saw KJA, and the man of God measured AJK. What is the difference between AJK and KJA? The owner of the vehicle knew that that car belongs to him. 181. The prophecy was accurate and directed. What was the prophecy? The owner of that car should not drive that car for now. That car has been marked for accident. I think you people are supposed to have at least celebrate God for saving a whole family that the enemy would have taken by accident because of a prophecy. All of you are busy talking about AJK, KJA. What is going on with this generation? Another one again, and they said a baby lost her life in the hospital of Zion Ministry. Oh, because of that, Ebuka Obi has used the baby for ritual. Ebuka Obi is a blood sucker. Why now would they do like this? Ebuka Obi is not the first person. There is no pastor in this country that all these things that have not happened. Why is it that anything that has to do with pastors it becomes a big problem to everybody? Now go carry her for her like say they just swear for her. Do you know the number of children that lost their life in general hospitals every day? Have you been to a general hospital before? Is it because it's a church? Is Ebuka Obi a medical doctor? They have the hospital in the church compound in case of emergency. If eventually anything happened and what you expected did not come the way you expected, is the man of God supposed to be held responsible? There are people there he has employed to handle that department. I went into my investigation and discovered that man every month he spent over 15 to 20 million in paying hospital bills for members of that church. Why be say I know they talk good way person do? Is Ebuka Obi a medical doctor? If you say the prophecy he gave is not correct, then you come and give your own prophecy. Where there is no vision and prophecy, the people perish. You think the millions of people over the world that are tripping into Zion Ministry are coming there because of a regime? You people should mind what you are doing. Mind what you are saying. The brothers and the sisters of Ebuka Obi, make una cover una brother. You people should stop all this nonsense you are doing. I sympathize with the family that lost their baby. Please, I really sympathize with you people. Please accept my condolences. Please, I beg you. Okay, I sympathize with you people. May the little soul of that little girl rest in perfect peace. But is he supposed to be the fault of Evangelist Ebuka Obi? Is he the one that operated or that took delivery for the woman? Did you see him there? Yeah. I'm doing all this because I know say tomorrow una go still fight. Una go still do the same thing to me. Me are ready for una. I ready. People should leave this man alone. The good is doing. I know this year. Now you people are just looking for a way to create bad news. Bad news. Well, I am happy because if you are not a big name, nobody can use you to create content. All of you are making money with Ebuka Obi. So I'm happy for that. At least it's giving you people jobs, giving you people food. is a good one. He's giving people good food, because if you don't talk about him, Facebook will not pay you, YouTube will not pay you. So keep talking about him, then you keep making your money. You can see that the name of this man is blessing you already. You not see now? You think you are bringing him down. No. You are doing it for your own selfish interest. May God bless every one of you. Whoever that want to bring you down, whoever that want to use your name, drag your name to the mud, anyone planning to bring you down, may God bring that person down. Wherever you are hearing the sound of my voice, I prophesy that this year, God will judge your enemies. God will judge those that don't want your glory to shine. And the God who has created the heaven and the earth will change your story. Go and possess your possession in Jesus' name. God bless you.